Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to paint a cherry blossom on a rock. So we're going to go ahead and prime our rock first. So I'm going with some medium yellow, some lemon yellow, and just a touch of white. So now we'll throw on some yellow. Now we're going to trace in with the pencil the approximate shape of the cherry blossom. I don't have the chocolate bar here with me, but I do have a rock that I painted previously. So I'll just go roughly by that one. This is where I'd be using Google Images to get a more accurate representation. But my phone is currently recording. You don't have to be perfect with this step because we're going to paint all of this white anyway. The white is going to make the colors pop better, like the chocolate colors and the cherry color in the liquid down here. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, from here we can sketch in a bit more detail with the pencil now. And as you can see, I've got a few different shades of brown here, so we can lay down our first layer. I also have black for the darker and shadow spots. Now, when it comes to the proper way to do things, I honestly don't know. It's just kind of been trial and error for me. It might be totally wrong what I'm doing, I don't know. but it's been working for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm doing the darker areas first. And this is just the first layer of it too. There will be probably 3 or 4 more layers after you let them dry in between. So it's looking pretty rough right now, but the more layers we put on, the less streaky it's going to be, and the more solid the colors will look too. Okay, so let's move on to the cherry part. We're gonna need some reds, purple, and whites. Okay, if you need to touch up any browns, you can go ahead and do it. I think I'm just going to call this one done. Now we just need to do the lettering up top. I'm going to use some paint pens for the lettering. Alright guys, that does it for another video. I want to thank everyone for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future rocks, just leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.